this video is to go over this task that we need to get done. So here are some examples that we have for real estate agent profile that we have. So the actual project is going to have over 3,000, but just for demonstration, we have 4 examples here. So first, you will open up the link from the Excel sheet. So next, you can see that you can arrive on the agent profile page. So right now you see the profile score is 22. So it should match on the Excel sheet, 22. So the goal here of the project is to increase this number to reach at least 40 or above. So a couple of things you want to do here. First we will check the agent profile photo. So here you see it's missing. And then second, you want to check transaction history. So the featured listing here is missing as well. And then you want to check the city and service area and video. So this profile is missing the video and also it's missing the service area as well. So what we're going to do now is to search for this agent and try to find some information. So first thing, you go on to Google, search for the agent name, and you can type Zillow. And then one thing you want to double check is to make sure this agent is in the same area, right? So service city, you can see that is matching with this agent profile. The city is here, and then the agent city is matching, right? So next step is you want to also make sure that this is the same agent in the same broker as well. So here you can see that the company name is here, Central Coastal Real Estate. You can see the broker address is Central Coastal Real Estate. So once the city and the broker name matches, then we can continue. If it doesn't match, it's okay, just skip it and then add a note that couldn't find profile. But in this case, since this is a matching agent, what we can do now is to copy the image and then upload it to the profile. Make sure this profile picture is clear, that you can see the agent's face, and click Save. So next thing you want to check is to upload their transaction. And then since we already have their Zillow link here, you can copy the Zillow link and then click on Edit Profile. Here, you can add in the Zillow link here. Copy and paste and click Save. And then you want to upload the listing example. So here you can see there's 9 past listing. You can go from top to bottom. So what I'm going to do now is open up this listing example. You can copy the address. And then make sure the zip code is correct. And there's a 3-bed, 3-bath. And then you can go over here to check for the square footage of the house. So in this case, livable area is 1854. And then the sold price, you can put this number. And then upload image. So make sure you download the first photo that you see. So in this case will be this photo here. You can right click, save image, and then upload. And then click save. So actually we require at least to have 3, so you could continue. Let's do another 2. It's 3-bath, 2-bath. Then the closing price. Double check. So that's and then the zip code here is 932. Check the square footage. $2,064. And then upload the image. Okay, so we need to do one more. This one is sold for 1.4 million. And then 4-bath, 3-bath. And then the square footage. It's here. And then upload an image. Alright, so once you have 3, you can click save and then move on, checking the next place. So next thing is to check the service city. So once you're done uploading, you can see that there's a couple service city you can input. So right now we only have 1, but based on this list, you can actually add more. So you can type in this. So now you have this city and this city as well.